Hey guys, working on this Whirlpool Roper electric washer. Right now I've got it loaded, pretty heavy load, jeans, towels, and it's filling up right now. You can see that if we turn it to cold only, we've got hot only, then hot and cold. Bringing all that water in appropriately, it's going to fill up full submersion and start washing these guys. I'll show you right now that the agitator works good. Can't spin it back counterclockwise, can spin it clockwise. That means this is working properly. You'll be able to hear it when it actually agitates too. It has kind of a, I call it a kick noise, but that's how you know it's working good. If you couldn't hear any kick noise at all, then this wouldn't be working, and you could probably spin it freely in both directions. So all this, of course, gets checked in the 28-point inspection. So we'll let it finish filling up. I'll show you that it agitates. Then we'll come to the draining and then the final spin. That way you'll know everything on it works perfect and it's good to go. Alright, so we moved into the agitation on the wash. You can hear that kick noise I was talking about. You see it's getting that water, clothes, everything all mixed around nice and sudsy as it gets started here. That's the agitation. Alright, out of the wash cycle, into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining all that water out nice and fast. It's in neutral right now, so it's not spinning while it's draining out the water. But I'm going to let it go ahead and move through the entire rinse cycle, and then we'll come back and show you the final spin cycle, because the spin cycle on the final spin is a little bit faster. And that's what I want to show you, just so you know that it sounds good, smooth, all that. Alright, moving into the draining portion of the final spin. Once again, draining all that water out in neutral mode. I'll go ahead and pause it. I'm going to let it get up to full speed on that spin cycle. Let you listen to it, and then we'll lift the lid up, show you that it's spinning nice and fast. Now the lid switch will kick in and put the brakes on, but that way you can see that it is spinning nice and fast and everything's smooth and sounds good. So for the sake of time here, we'll pause it and come right back. Alright, and we are on the final spin, full speed at that spin cycle. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. No weird noises, not off balance. Those are all things you'd look for if you were standing here yourself testing it out. So go ahead and lift this lid up. And there you go. You see it spins nice and fast and comes to a stop when you pull that lid up. So I'm going to let that go ahead and finish spinning the water out of those clothes and get this video listed up here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.